Hey guys, I got a lot of questions about setting up some of the templates that I shared yesterday. So I'm going to show you how to set up the file cabinet one because that seems to be the most popular one, which is great because I love that one. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the very beginning. So I've gone to Slides Mania and I'm going to, let's see, if I go to education, I believe it's under weekly planners. So once that loads, I'm going to click on it. Haha, it's the first one. All right. I'm going to click on this template. Let me close out some things here. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to hit use in Google Slides because that's where I want to use it. And I already know what it looks like, so I'll hit the use template. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's leaf blowing outside of our apartment right now, so I apologize for the whirring sound you hear. All right. So here I am as it's loading. Now I have this template on my Google Slides to organize how I see fit. So I'm going to rename it, and I think I'm going to name it, I'll just name it my class. So Miss Owsley's music class. Well, let's do music resources. Spell the word right. It's been a long summer. Okay, so let's go ahead and title that here. Music resources. All right. Now, I want to do music resources that has nothing to do with the days of the week. So I'm going to go up here where it says edit. I'm going to go all the way down to find and replace. And I'm going to find every place that says Monday. And I'm going to replace the word Monday with composers. And I'll hit replace all because I already know it's going to pull all the right ones. And now it says 0 of 0. That means there's no more Mondays in here. So if I get out of that, I see composers up here. Now I think for the next drawer, I teach conversational solfege as a way to music literacy in my music classes. So I'm going to label a drawer for the first 4 units of conversational solfege. So I'm going to go to edit, find and replace, and it takes me back to the last word that I put in there. I'm going to change it to Tuesday, and I'll put it, I use CS for short, CS units. Replace all. Now we're down to 0 of 0. And if I close that, now I have CS units here. So let's go with that. Let's go to composers. So now I've clicked on the slide. Now when you're working on the slide, you can't click on these things. It's not going to take you anywhere. It only does that when you hit present. So if you want to change something within the drawers, you have to go to the actual slide. So let's see. Topic A, this little guy right here, I think I'm going to call him Beethoven. So I'm going to add here. And I can also do the same thing that I did for the drawers. So I'm going to find and replace topic A. Beethoven. So now Beethoven's up here on the top instead of it saying topic A. Now I'm going to go here. Here's all my important Beethoven stuff. So what I usually do here is I link to things in my drive, or I link to websites or resources that I tend to use. So I know for this one, let's search in my drive. I know I have a bunch of stuff. Let's see what I have for Beethoven. Watch, I'll have like 3 things. Oh, all right. So I've got facts about Beethoven. I'm going to click on him. I'm going to right-click this file because it's a good file. It's quick facts. I like it a lot. I'm going to get a shareable link. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back up to here, and let's put Beethoven fact sheet. I'm going to highlight it. Hit the little linky link. And I'm going to paste that link that I just put in. So now when I click on it, it'll come up to the sheet and I don't have to go searching for it. Now let's say I want to use an internet resource for Beethoven. Let's see. I use a lot of BrainPop in my teaching. And I know there's a good video in BrainPop for Beethoven. So I'm going to look him up. There we are. My kids love this video on Beethoven. If you guys have not used BrainPop before, I would highly recommend it. So I'm going to click on Beethoven, and I'm not going to worry about creating my lesson or anything like that. I'm just interested in landing on this page. So I'm going to highlight this, copy, go back to my resources, and let's put Beethoven BrainPop because I'll know what that means. I'm going to highlight it. Insert a link-a-dink and apply it. So now if I click on that, I'll go to this video. So if I'm going to skip ahead, well, let's see. If I go back here, it changed, of course, it changed topic A to Beethoven. So I usually just go in here and just get rid of that and just put Beethoven. And if I'm feeling really dangerous, I'll put a picture on here just because that looks cool. So I think I'll search the web for Beethoven. Click that picture. Click insert. I'm going to slide him right over here on this file so it looks official. And of course, everything saves automatically. Now, if I want to share this to my Google Classroom, let's pull up my Google Classroom. Let's say I've finished the whole thing. I've put all the links in there that I want. And instead of keeping it to myself, maybe I want to share it with my kids. So let me make sure I have the right, yeah, I do. So I'm going to put it in this class. This is a test class. So let's create material. I'm going to call it Miss Helsley's Music Resources. To this page for all of your resource needs. Now I'm going to add, and I'm going to do first. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to copy the link. I've made it so anyone with the link can view it. Go back here. And I'm going to, instead of linking it through Drive, I'm just going to link the file. Make sure the whole thing is correct. And a nice little hack here. You take out the edit and hit. You will only be able to see it. You will not be able to edit it. They can't mess with it. So they won't go in there and change all of your things around. They can just look at it. They cannot go in and change it. So I've got everything in there. Good to go. I'm going to post it on my page. And now I have it in my Google Classroom. I hope that helped answer your questions. If you see this and you have some more questions, go ahead and leave me a message in the comments below. And you can always contact me at admin@amandatechmusic.com. Thank you.